Okay, look, steps. Now, if you're not careful, you may fall. Here we are at the crossover at Frost. I'm running out of time on my camera here, so here's Hesperia, whatever heck it's pronounced, and I'm stepping up. And here we are in Barstow. Still got a lot of work, but they have actually done so much even in the past year that quite impressed with this layout. We go here to Oakland Staging, West Daggett. Here we are at Daggett, and I'm going to step down here, 2 steps down here in a second. Top line is Union Pacific as it goes on towards Las Vegas. Bottom line is Santa Fe to go on to Chicago Station. Now we're on the Union Pacific in Yermo. I think we're still in California. And we just make the in and out loop. Here's West Dawes. And I'm going to stop here for a second at Dawes. Continue on with the